you so bright 멈출 수 없어 지금이야 Oh I'll take you to the moon Come on up enjoy your ride Oh I'll take you to the moon Just be ready to enjoy your night Oh baby it's right now You don't wanna waste this time 어디든지 가줄게 Yeah I'm on a road can't stop 이루어질 거야 I'll take you to the moon can't stop 이루어질 거야 I'll take you to the moon 춤을 춰봐 left and right You know you feel so right
Hello, I am headed out on my way to one of my favorite taco places here in Cebu to meet up with some high school friends. So we're trying to make the effort to meet up more. Before we used to do it a lot and I guess just the lockdown and the pandemic kind of slowed that down. So we're making more of an effort to be a part of each other's lives.
Straight from a party We're all on a roll tonight
Happy birthday, Dai. Happy New Year.
Oh, that's why you're videoing. Oh my god.
And an official. Show the card. Show the card. With dedication from
It's my
Rafa.
husband.
Straight from a party Music's coming your way I will be smiling You'll be so fine Do you believe there's a young world in my heart
Hey guys, so my friends over at Havaiana sent a pair of slippers for me to customize. They want me to paint on it because they're going to be having a Paint Your Own Havaianas event at the mall on the 15th and I can't attend because unfortunately that's the day that I'm going to go see Shiny in concert. So I'm not going to be here. So what she did instead was she sent over a pair of slippers for me to just go wild on and have fun, which I really appreciate. And she sent a whole bunch of paint markers, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use. Let's test them out and see how I like them, but I feel like I might just be using my acrylic gouache for this. Let's have some fun. It takes a while for the paint on these things to come out. Oh, there you go. Oh, you know what? That's not bad. Hey, that's not bad. Okay, well, maybe we will use these. All right. I made a little swatch card at the back of this one so I know what the colors look like. So these are oil-based markers, which means if I screw up, I won't really be able to remove them. So let's just have some fun. Okay, I've pulled some, like a random assortment of paints from my acrylic gouache because I kind of want to do the background in Aquila. Why can't I talk today? I kind of want to do the background in my acrylic gouache. I just feel like it'll be a lot faster that way. And I've set up my second camera so you guys can get a better view. So let's get started.
so easily. And it
I think I'm gonna stop there, let that dry, and then move on to the next step.
Making a move, I froze. I always do that, and I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel so you know it. 'Cause I would know just what to say if only I was some kind of poet. And the next time you walk through that door, I really need to try to talk to you, but every time I do, I end up like a fool. Yeah, when I try to tell you how I feel, strange things happen to me. I lose my way, I don't know what to say. It's always like this, I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel to you.
Ta-da! All done. So I went for like a aerial view surfing motif, very painterly. I can't really get a lot of details, especially with the texture, but I think that's quite cute. Oh wait, here we go.
If I was some kind of
Who told you that it was too late? When was it that you started leaning that way? 4 tires cut into the clay.
Oh my gosh, that's huge. Oh, it's huge.
Just
Oh my goodness.
I
can touch it, stop.
Growing up over with green, so easy to drive on, but not what it seems. The poison is spilling upstream.
You're really touching it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it jumped. It jumped. It made me jump. You okay, Sebs?
Every living thing.
There's a big turtle there.
You were no good. There's no use in trying, and even if you could, it wouldn't come out like it should. This stubborn kudzu just covers these words. Could you listen to somebody else? Will you only drink from the thoughts of yourself? Are you under the canopy spell? You dig in your heels and spread the disease. You're spreading the disease. Back up the drive a bit. Could you see what this is? This is a part of it all.
That's right. It's so big. The bell is so big.
Big. So big.